This is a progress report for Review Board's Smarter Update Notifications project. I wanted to take a chance to demonstrate the changes I've made to Review Board's backend and API. As a bit of a refresher, Review Board currently doesn't provide much to the user in the way of detail when it comes to its update notifications. The goal of this project is to simply disclose greater information on things like reviews, replies, comments, and diff sets to the user past a specified point in time. So to demonstrate this, I've mocked up a review request. It includes a couple of small description changes, a screenshot with an associated comment, a series of 3 reviews with individual comments and replies, and 2 diff set changes. So I can now make a request to the last update endpoint in the API and specify a timestamp for the cutoff of which updates should be included to the user. So if I specify I want a timestamp that was from yesterday, for example, we would expect roughly 4 comments, like I said. You can now see we have much greater detail included in our API response. There are 5 new fields that have been added, the first of which is comment updates. And like I said, there will be 4 comment updates included, specifying things from text to author name. There is a diff set updates field that includes details with respect to things like the commit ID and the revision number. There's a field updates field, which includes all the fields that have been changed since a specified point in time, the new and old values that are included on that field, a reply updates field, which includes the author and the time and the ID of a review reply that have been made, and a review updates field, which includes all of the specifics for the reviews that have actually been placed on the request. Comparatively, if I wanted to make the same request to the API from a time in the future, you can see that none of these fields have actually been populated. In addition to these changes, I've also added a series of unit tests that verify the original API functionality is intact, and a series of tests for the specified changes to comments, diff sets, replies, reviews, and change descriptions. The tests create and modify mock review requests with spoofed data using old timestamps, and then they assert that the correct information is actually included with the test. And just to verify that, I will run the test. And that concludes the changes that I've made to Review Board's backend for this project. The logical next step would be to integrate this with the front end and have a way of displaying it in the user's browser to illustrate the changes that have been made since a point in time. Thanks a lot for watching.